Are you tired of losing money in trading or struggling to figure where to start? Today, I'm sharing the exact steps you need to become a profitable trader. Even if you're a complete beginner, let's jump right into it. Hi, I am Perpetual, aka Pepiana, and I started my trading journey just like you, confused, overwhelmed, and not sure of where or how to start. After some months of trial and error, I've been learning what it takes to succeed in this industry. And in this video, I'll break it all down to you. By the end, you will have a clear plan on what it takes to start trading profitably. So do not miss any of these steps. Step 1. Now, step 1 involves you understanding the basics. Trading involves the buying and selling. In Forex, for example, you are trading currency pairs. Currency pairs like Euro USD, USD, JPY. Then in crypto, you are trading coins. I already made a video on where I explained things you need to know as a beginner Forex trader, where I broke down all the basic things you need to know, like lot size, leverage, margin, currency pairs, and all that. You could check out the video on my channel or check the description box. I'm going to drop the link there. So moving to step 2. Step 2 is building a trading plan. This is your personal roadmap to success. A solid trading plan includes: number 1, your financial goals. Are you aiming for consistent monthly profits, or are you aiming for long-term growth? Number 2, under step 2, is learning risk management, risking properly. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a particular trade unless you are flipping. But then if you are trading a conservative account, which is a account that you gradually grow, which is a long-term account, it is not advisable you risk more than 1 to 2% of that account on any trade you take. Third, under step 2, is a simple strategy. Never trade against the trend, and never force a trade, and never trade against your plan. Go with the plan, go with the trend, and at the same time too, go with your strategy. Without a plan, you are just gambling. So make sure you have one before you enter the markets. Now to step 3. Step 3, learn technical analysis. This is one of the most crucial parts when it comes to trading. This helps you predict price movements based on past data. Technical analysis involves you being able to read the charts, being able to understand the candlestick movement, being able to understand the candlestick's pattern, being able to understand what each candle signifies or what it means, and being able to read the trend of the market and all of that. So as I said earlier, technical analysis is one of the crucial parts of trading. It is a part that takes a lot of traders like us a while to get acquainted with, but then once you get acquainted with the technical part of trading, trust me, you are really going to enjoy and love trading, because this is what determines you becoming a profitable trader or not. So now let's move to step 4. Step 4 is mastering risk management. This is what separates gamblers from traders. Yes, risk management is a very important part of trading. If you lack on this part of trading, trust me, you are going to always be seeing the other side of trading, which is the bad side of trading. Only risk a small percentage of your account on each trade. This totally keeps you in the game long term. Plan for a good risk is to reward ratio, and yet a reasonable risk is to reward ratio. At least 1:2. We have 1:3, we have 1:4, we have 1:5. And as I said, plan a good risk to reward ratio, and yet a reasonable risk to reward ratio. The most risk is to reward I hear traders or popular traders talk about using is 1:3. So you could actually key into using 1:3. I think that is a reasonable ratio for me. Imagine you are risking 100 naira to make 300 naira, or you are risking 1000 naira to make 3000 naira. That is a very beautiful business. It is like you buying a goods for 1000 naira, then when you sell, you are making 3000 naira from that goods. Isn't that a beautiful profit to make. Protecting your capital in this industry is very, very important, or should I say is more important than chasing big wins. Because just imagine it, if you blow up your account and you lose your capital, what will you use to chase more of those wins? So that's why you need to risk more, and you need to have a good risk is to reward ratio. Yeah. Step 5 is emotional discipline. And as I would always say, this market will test you mentally, psychologically, physically, if possible, spiritually. But it is left for you to learn how to control your emotions. The market will test your patience and emotions, but sticking to the plan is the goal. For you to become a profitable trader, you need to avoid these common mistakes, which is number one, revenge trading. Number two, over trading. When you lose a trade, then because of you lost a trade and you want to go in for another trade immediately just to recover from your loss or just to make those profits you didn't make, that is what we call revenge trading. And when you revenge trade, there is high probability of you even losing again and even losing more than you lost in the first place. So it is always advised, when you lose a trade, just stay off the charts, maybe go journal the trade, then you probably come back the next day. Now, over trading, when you overtrade, there is high probability of you losing the money that you already make. So let's take for instance now that you took a trade and you made 1 to 3, and normally your the maximum number of trades for a day is 2. Let's take that for instance. Then you took your 2 trades and you won. So because of that, you are seeing more stops in the market, and then you are being triggered to take more trades. You could take more trades and then end up losing this profit you already made in a day. So that's why it is crucial you have a trading plan. And when you have a trading plan, you know how many trades you want to take in a day. Then once you've taken those number of trades, you stay off the market until the next day. In trading, you need to focus on quality, not quantity, and you need to take breaks when need be. Step 6, learn about fundamentals. Fundamentals is the news part of Forex. Now, I know this is a part that most of us or most of you might not know about. Yeah. Now, news plays a very big role on each currency, and news is being released literally almost every day. So, as a Forex trader, it is advised to get acquainted with the news. Always check the news in the morning before you place any trade, so that you know if the news coming out and your technical analysis fall in line. Sometimes what most technical analysts do, like for me as an example, when a news is coming up, mainly a high impact news is coming up on a pair that I am about to trade, all I do is I stay off the market until the news has come and gone. Then I would then watch out for the market. If it's still showing signs of playing out my technical analysis, then I would go in for the trade. But then if not, then that setup becomes invalid and I'm doing a new technical analysis entirely. A news can come in now. Let's say you place a buy trade and the news will spike the trade, hit your SL and still go your way. Sometimes a market that is in an uptrend, news will come, change the trend. So news play a very, very major role, which is the fundamental aspect of trading. You can check out news on myfsbook.com and Forex Factory. Finally, what we have for this video is practice and improve. It is highly advised you open a demo account and practice for as long as you want with a demo account till you find a working strategy. So you find a strategy that whenever you come to the market, it is playing out for you at least 50 to 80% of the time, because there's no way to be playing out 100% of the time. So practice, learn, and when you finish this phase of you practicing, you're learning, you're getting used to the fundamental aspects of trading, you're getting used to the technical aspects of trading, and then implementing everything I have said on this video. Trust me, you're going to come out as a profitable trader, even as a beginner, because I'm still a beginner. Yeah, So hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate you guys, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to drop a lovely comment if there's any video you want me to make for you. And if you enjoyed watching this video, and tell me, what is your trading journey like? How has it been going for you as a beginner or as an advanced? Hope you enjoyed watching this video today. Thank you for your time. Bye.